This workshop will delve into the critical aspects of standardization, discussing the best practices, protocols, and guidelines that can be adopted pan-India.
This collaborative workshop on future of dentistry is taking place in a very appropriate time. This workshop is looking into 5 key elements or 5 mool mantras, that is science, technology, research, innovation, policy issues, collaboration across centers. Various dental colleges are here, policy makers are here, government is here. So I think this is going to be a very good platform.
National concerted program which will have a national oral health policy, which is also going to include a lot of areas of research, innovation, very innovative and advanced teaching methods, which would include artificial intelligence, haptics and virtual reality, which will augment the existing infrastructure and training procedures that are there.
And when you collaborate, you magnify your effort. If you really want to achieve your targets, it cannot happen unless you get together. So that's another the underpinning of this workshop. We are very happy that in this workshop we have already identified 5 mool mantras, which is the answer to all our problems.